So we're soon down to our first 12 boosters. And I would say I'm really liking what I'm seeing so far. Hornburg Wall, Isengard Schneevar, Isengard Scout Troop, a bit of Orc, add one for each site you control. I haven't really looked up how you control sites. Is it, I don't know, maybe I'm just missing something in the rules. Isengard Scout Troop, Warg Rider, well, this minion is not exhaust, it's fierce. Each time an orc wins a skirmish, you may exert this minion to control a site. Okay, here's how you control a site. But is that you like leave a token on that site? Not sure. And then we have Foul Herd. That's a nice. So the Warg Riders is getting there. While Foul Horde is not exhaust, it's fierce. While Foul Horde is at least 3 vitality, it has ambush +1. While Foul Horde is at least 4 vitality, is damage +1. So if you boost him, he will get bigger and better in all ways. Orc Infantry, Gondorian Knight, Southern Runner, Theoden. So to go with the Valiant deck here, play a Roman Possession on Theoden to heal an ally. Alright. Warg Monster, take cover, and Orc Pursuer. So we have a strong Rohan Urk-hai collection so far. Of course, Urk-hais I seem like are really strong in the earlier sets because they are like main bad guys in these videos or movies. So we have Rager, Parpet, Fortification, Plane Support Area, Archery, Spot 2 Rowan Men to remove 2 tokens from a machine. Right. And then we have an uncommon, Evil Smelling Fence. Plane Support Area, each time you on the venture price is a March Shadow, exert Golem twice and discard this creature to play a minion from your discard pile. Desert Stalker. Sudden, Ambush +2. Maneuver, exert this minion to spot 4 free people culture to exert every companion. That's nice. Urk Engineer, Forest Guardian, Gate Trooper, Citadel of the Stars, Southern Marcher, okay, Eklaf, Villager, Fellowship, exert Eklaf to spot 2 via Valiant Men to play a possession from a discard pile. So that's a nice engine with the possession runs, Ward Masters. So 11, so the last 2 in the right part of the display, and we have 3 foils so far and 10 boosters. Berserk Rager, and then we have a Caverns of Isengard. We have Horn of Helm. Play on your support area. Maneuver, exert a dwarf companion to make each minion and the battleground lose all damage bonus. That's nice. We have no use that way. Add 3 burdens to wound a minion skirmishing a companion who has Frodo's Signet twice. Right. So good card, I think, maybe. Gate Trooper, Smeagol, Ringbound. To play, add a burden, regroup, exert Smeagol or Golem twice to reveal the top course of your draw deck. Wound a minion for each shadow card revealed. Place those 4 beneath your draw deck in an order. I mean, that's not a bad trick. I mean, if you just get 1 or 2 shadow cards, that's probably a nice tipping point before deciding if you want to move on or not. Flanker, Men of Numor, Southern Marcher, Eklafian, Gate Veteran. And then the 12th. Rare Good Ballast. Play on Sam. Parpet, Frodo, Masters of Precious. Then we have our rare, right, Moranon. Play in the support area. Is Twilight cost of the first Mordor Orc played on site 4 from the tower set is -3. Nice. Spot 2 Mordor Orcs and discard 4 cards from hand to draw 3 cards. Discard this condition. Right, so that's a nice filter card, but also like a Twilight reduction on that specific place. Orc Runner, That's no Urk-hai. Spot 3 elf companions to heal a companion and liberate the site. Southern Marcher, City Wall, Urk Engineer, Theoden, Gates Trooper. I want me some Gandalfs maybe, or something like that. We have Sigwulf instead, the Brave Volunteer. He's a villager, he's an ally, he's home 4. Exert Sigwulf and spot 5 valiant men to discard a minion. Also really nice in the regroup phase. Yeah, I would say. Demands a lot of valiant peoples, but that's okay. Siege Engine, Urk-hai Berserker, and we have a foil, but also a rare first. The Berserk Slayer. Nice. The party guy. Damage +1. Berserk Slayer strength +2 for each wound on a character in its skirmish. Nice. Skirmish. Remove 5 tokens from machine to exert Slayer twice to wound every companion. Wow. Okay, let's look at the machines. Machine. Okay, later when I find it. Maybe it's uncommon. Okay, let's see here. So we have the machine here. Alright. Machine. Play in sport area, play an Urk-hai to place. Okay, so if you just play an Urk-hai, you get a token. And then you can remove 5 tokens and exert this layer and twice, and then wound every companion. That's like a nice go. Yeah, not bad at all. And then of course we got a foil machine. So that's a deck now. If one or more machines are about to be discarded by an opponent, discard this condition to prevent that. Nice. Alright, so you kinda fill up your Slayer pool with this. Orc Infantry, Golden Knight, Southern Runner, Theoden, Orc Master, and take cover. Cameras and Isengard, or Cutthroat, Scaling Ladders, Machine, playing support area, exert an Urk-hai to place a token here, spot an Urk-hai token here to heal an Urk-hai, discard this condition. Alright. Ruarim Helm, bear must be a Royal Man, skirmish, discard this possession to cancel the skirmish involving the bear. I mean in this skirmish may exert to prevent this. Right. Gate Trooper, Poor Wretch, Isengard Rider, War Must Be, Southern Runner, Let Us Be Swift, and Orc Pursuer. New video.